VFX, CGI, and SFX. You've probably heard these terms before, but what do they mean? They're often used interchangeably, which can be confusing. So, let's break it down. Let's start with special effects, or SFX. These are practical effects created on the set. But in the age of digital effects, SFX might seem a bit old school, right? So, why are they still widely used in filmmaking today? SFX are tangible and happen in real time during filming. These practical effects, like pyrotechnics, mechanical rigs, makeup, and prosthetics, add realism that can't be fully replicated with digital effects. But SFX alone sometimes isn't enough to achieve the desired impact. So filmmakers often complement them with VFX in post-production. Watch how the crew sets up and executes breathtaking car chases and explosions. These are all real stunts with real vehicles, making the action feel raw and visceral. In The Dark Knight, Christopher Nolan flipped a truck on a busy city street. This was done without CGI, using practical effects that added a layer of realism to the action. Explore how Christopher Nolan executed the spectacular scene where a real 747 airplane crashes into a hangar. Nolan used a full-scale, real airplane for this stunt, showcasing his dedication to practical effects and adding immense realism to the sequence. But even with the rise of digital effects, SFX remains a crucial part of filmmaking because it grounds the audience in a tangible reality. Next up, visual effects, or VFX. These are effects added in post-production to enhance or create environments, objects, creatures, and more. But VFX is often confused with CGI, so let's clarify the distinction. VFX is the broader category that includes CGI as one of its components. For example, in John Wick Chapter 4, the fight scene around the Arc de Triomphe blends live action and computer-generated elements. But these scenes aren't just CGI alone. So they combine with VFX to create a seamless and immersive experience. Now, let's dive into CGI, or computer-generated imagery. CGI refers to creating still or animated visual content using computer software. But CGI isn't always used on its own. So it often works hand in hand with live-action footage to bring complex visions to life. In Avatar, the Na'vi characters and the alien landscapes of Pandora are entirely created using CGI. But CGI isn't just for creating fantasy worlds, so it's also used to enhance live-action performances, like Gollum in The Lord of the Rings, which combined actor performance with CGI.
Precious. False.
And of course, let's not forget Toy Story, one of the first fully CGI animated feature films.
Snack, you stay away from Andy. He's mine, and no one is taking him away from me.
What are you talking about?
But creating these digital effects isn't simple. So the process often involves motion capture, where actors' movements are recorded and used as the basis for CGI characters. This technique was used extensively for Thanos in Avengers, Endgame, and the Na'vi in Avatar. Modern filmmaking often combines VFX and CGI to create epic scenes that push the boundaries of imagination. But this combination requires meticulous planning and coordination. So, let's look at how these techniques work together in blockbuster films. In Avengers Endgame, the final battle scenes involve extensive use of CGI to bring superheroes and their abilities to life. But this isn't just a CGI spectacle. So, VFX is used to integrate these elements with real-world environments, creating a seamless blend of reality and fantasy. The process often starts with green or blue screen filming, where actors perform in front of a backdrop that will be digitally replaced in post-production. But the real magic happens in post, where VFX and CGI are combined to create immersive experiences that captivate audiences. Balancing VFX, CGI, and SFX is key to creating a believable and engaging film. But how do filmmakers decide which technique to use? So let's discuss the decision-making process behind choosing the right effects. Blade Runner 2049 combined miniatures with CGI to create its dystopian landscapes. But not everything was done digitally. So, practical effects played a role in bringing the world to life. Similarly, Gravity relied heavily on CGI for its space sequences. However, practical effects were used to ensure the astronauts' movements and interactions felt authentic. Directors and VFX supervisors collaborate closely to determine the most effective way to achieve their vision. But practical effects often provide a solid foundation. So, VFX and CGI add layers of detail and complexity to create a fully realized world. The future of special effects is constantly evolving. But what innovations can we expect? So, let's look at the trends shaping the future of VFX, CGI, and SFX. The 2019 remake of The Lion King used photorealistic CGI to create a lifelike world. But this isn't just about creating realistic animals. So it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible in visual storytelling. Ready Player One is another example, showcasing the potential of CGI in creating immersive virtual environments. But the innovations don't stop there. So emerging technologies like virtual reality, augmented reality, and AI-driven effects are opening up new creative possibilities for filmmakers. So there you have it. VFX is the broader category that includes CGI, which creates digital visuals, while SFX is practical effects done on set. But understanding these distinctions is crucial. So, it can help you better plan your film projects and communicate your vision effectively. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Breadfruit Studios, and click the bell icon to never miss an update. Until next time, happy filming.
Thank you.